Alright guys, so we're back again, and we're just going to do a little update video, kind of let you know what's going on. Been pretty busy lately, so videos have been a little haphazard. You might have seen my beehive video. That's more for me than it is for you guys. I have a very old set of catalpa trees that came from China about 150 years ago or so. And I got some beehives, some native bees that are in those trees. I got 2 of them so far, and I want to split them. So I just kind of wanted to document when it happened and all that. You know, I thought maybe somebody would be interested in it. Anyways, see here we got the DT03 on the bench. My intention was to put that in there, but there's been a little change of plans. According to my shipping, the order from buyee that I ordered should be here on Monday. So TAMIYA, or we might not put that in. This was just, I was going to do that and run it today, but it's pissing out today and tomorrow. So we're going to go out to my niece's house. Hopefully it's not raining there this afternoon. And we happen to go by a skate park and a game store. So who knows what's going to happen this afternoon. So that'll be probably a part of this weekend. So you see there, that's our LC. And there's our kit. We're going to swap out that diff. I'm going to do the whole diff case. And we're going to get this right, so because track's about at a point now where we're going to start thinking about, you might have seen that last video there with the stationary camera. So I'm just dabbling around. Again, these are all me playing around trying to figure out the best angles. I want to try and do a little better content. Maybe not as many, but at least my track time once a week, a decent track time, maybe multiple cars. Hold on one second. I think we also have our eBay auction is going off, so we got till tomorrow, sometime in the afternoon. We're gonna pack it up nice. This is Super Fighter G. So go on eBay. The listing will be in the description. Feel free to put a bid in. We're about $100 right now. Also, that buyee lot that's coming. 3 of the cars that are in that are for selling, not for keeping. So the way buyee works is actually, let me bring it up here. The way it works is so here you see I got my tracking number, so that's coming FedEx, but the way to do it is there. So you see I got all those cars. There's 8 auctions coming down the pipe. Now that cost me about $250 to ship, so I think I averaged $33 per item to ship. Now individually, some of these cars were like $80 to ship them individually, so it's the only way to go. And then realistically, about half of the cost on this order is purely shipping. So all these cars were around that $30-40 range, somewhere in there, you know. And you see there's some cool ones. You'll see soon. So anyways, just want to show you that there's different kinds of shipping methods, and you know, like you see here, it cost me $268 to ship, which was worth it. You know, that's all that fees and all that crap. And they combined it. Now what I did was I combined it one at a time. Now I should have stopped at 5 because when I added the last car and the other thing, it jumped at $80 because it was at 180. So I'm trying to figure out the best size. I think it's a weight. This is 28 pounds, so 25 might be that cutoff. So anyways, enough of that stuff. Back to these guys. So that's the game plan. We're going to get those out, and then we have our crawler that I have finally got parts coming for. I'm waiting for a transmission, so, but they're slow boating it. It could be a little bit, but I finally got them on order. So anyways, make sure you check out the guys and all that, and I'm sure I'm forgetting something. This is just going to be a short update. There ain't nothing too crazy going on over in the homestead, so hopefully you guys like and subscribe and all that. And I want to talk about this too. I run my hobby like a business. I do that with everything, and that's purely because then Uncle Sam doesn't have, you know, you get certain privileges. So with my sponsors, you know, like URGENEX and Winter's Evening, you know, like the way I look at it is I budget everything out, and I would schedule purchases as much as I can for the year, and then that's got to be half of what the budget is, because you know you're going to end up breaking stuff, so you got to figure the other half of your budget is for repairs. So like, for example, these eight auctions that are coming up, that's the rest of that's it for the year. You know, there might be a car here and there that come up, but I'm pretty much tapped out for the year, budget wise. But that's the other half that, okay, that car comes up, I gotta have it, so I'll get it. No, but the intention with this, like these buyees, I had to buy 8 to make it worthwhile. 3 of them are gonna go pretty much immediately up for sale. I'm gonna make some videos, show the car, strip it, put it up on eBay, and that's purely to make it make sense. There's 3 cars that I really wanted, but you can't just get 3 cars to make it cost effective in my world. Budget's everything. I can't afford to waste money on stupid stuff. $10 to me that's the difference between getting a car next month. You know, like, that's the way it works. So anyways, enough about all that baloney. So make sure you check out all the guys. And I know my TTO2 buddies. Mitch, man, 106 already. That's freaking awesome. So I've been slacking on all that, but again, that's rain. My rig is in the car, battery's on the charger. So when I get the right time, I'm gonna get out there. Again, no pressure on anybody else either. So this is kind of like, this is fun. We want to get there. Mitch is our first one. I'm gonna get a scoreboard and do an update video on that sometime next week. So hopefully I'll get it running, and then I can do a full update. And I'm sorry I'm slacking. And Mike, man, I'm glad you're back. I got a lot of stuff going on. I got to get in touch with you. Anyways, I'll see you guys when I see you, and I hope you guys enjoy your weekend and have a great day. Bye.